How's it going, guys? Carl here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Python, ChatGPT, Visual Studio Code to make Flappy Bird in under less than 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go to Google, and we're just going to do ChatGPT, and we're going to go to ChatGPT. What can we help you with? All we want to do here is just say create Flappy Bird with Python, and then it's gonna build this out. It's gonna give you a set of instructions. So you want to do a pip install Pygame. So that's the first thing we want to do. So now let's go ahead and open up our Visual Studio Code. So let's just open this up. Now that we have our Visual Studio Code open, let's go to File, New, and then let's just do an open folder. And we're going to go to our desktop, and let's go ahead and create a new folder. And we'll just call this, let's just call it Pygame. And we'll select this folder. And now we have it open. We're just going to come here and just do new file. And let's just pick the Python file. We can get out of this. Once we get here, let's just do a Control S to save this, and let's just call it Flappy Bird. Now we have Flappy Bird, and let's just create this terminal. I'll just hit run to come here. So in here, we just want to do a pip. So if we go back to ChatGPT, it tells us we need to do this here, this code. Pip install Pygame. So all we'll do here is come to our terminal and just do that. If you already have it installed, it'll basically let you know that your system already meets that. It's already satisfied. And once you install that, the next thing we want to do is we want to come down here and look at this code. As you can see, here's the code for Flappy Bird clone. And this is basically all the code, and it gives you some explanation. We're just going to copy the code. We're going to come here, paste the code, and it gives us all the code. As you can see, a preview of all the code over here. And if you're getting this, if you hit run, if you're getting this right here, where this is underlined, all you got to do to fix that is go to View, Command Palette, and then you want to go to Select Interpreter, or just type it in if you don't see it. And then you want to make sure it's global. And if you keep getting this right here, all you got to do is Control S. So make sure you save it. Once you save it, then you'll get it. Then you'll get the Flappy Bird popping up. And you just have to make sure that once it comes on, you have to start hitting that space bar. And this is how you create Flappy Bird in less than 5 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Carl. Peace.